Hey chicks, how you doing? My name is Wakea Khalifa. Even if I see my face before, this is the first time to stop by. My name is Wakea Khalifa. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up. Now if you're a subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? I'm doing fantastic. Something's flying, but I'm doing fantastic and hope you guys are doing well as well. Please comment as well and share. Now if you have not yet turned notification up, this is a perfect time to do so guys, and let me know in the below what you think about this outfit I'm going to be about to show you. And then everything is on a link in the below, everything that I'm going to be showing you in this video. But anyways, I can tell, as you can tell, I'm trying to put everything together. But anyways guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, today is fashion haul, basically Zara haul, fashion haul, Zara haul. So I bought quite a little pieces of Zara, and I thought to myself it won't be a bad idea to come in here and show you guys exactly what I brought from Zara. I brought this from Zara, it was like last month ago. Yeah, last month ago, but I thought to myself, should I film, should I no, should I film, should I no? And bear in mind guys, this haul is not that quite big a haul for Zara, and I ordered some stuff, so I thought to myself, let me just wait for the stuff to come so I can do it all. But the stuff is not arrived, the one that I ordered, so I thought to myself, let me just come here and show the pieces that I got for the first time round, and then the second round when it comes, I'll come here again and I'll show you guys the part 2 Zara haul basically. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is how my Zara package looks like basically. Yeah, so just start in this one. I can't remember even what I got, but it's something. How it comes like as well. This is my first time literally buying stuff from Zara and online, so I'm a bit shocked with you guys. If it is your first time literally to watch a video that's the box is open, the package is open, you're shocked with me. This is literally, I'm a bit shocked to see how everything has been packaged. So it's like, okay Zara. But anyways, so the first thing I got, it was 3/4 shot basically, wash blue as well. It has like a little details right here. I didn't want it to have loads of details, because sometimes when you have a lot of details, that basically the outfit doesn't look that good. So I'm that kind of person, I like to have a little bit of details, not that quite much. I'm not out there person, you know what I'm saying, but it depends on what kind of style you literally are. But I'm that kind of person, I just like to keep my style to be really simple and classy and just outgoing there, but just not too much of details. So this is how the 3/4 looks like basically. The back is nothing detailed, just like normal wash blue trousers, and the front bit, it has a little details, like rip little details on the side, and that little bit right there. It's not that too much basically, and I thought this would look so amazing with a white top, like long white top, like really baggy size top with a little sandals over high heels, and then your hair curled or whatever, what hairstyle you have, a little earrings, a little bag, you're literally good to go. But that top, I don't have it yet, I'm still waiting for it, and I ordered from Zara, but this is the second time I ordered that I'm waiting for, but it hasn't arrived yet. So that's the top that I'm going to be wearing with this. So when the top comes, my next haul, I'm going to be showing you guys, but this one I'm going to be showing you guys anyways, with the top that I imagine how it's going to look nice. But anyways, I'm going to put a picture right here, exactly what I'm talking about, kind of top I'm talking about, like oversized top, white basically. But yeah, I'm waiting for that to arrive. But anyways, this is how it looks like, and this is size 8. So I've got size 8, I'm a size 8 human being basically. And this was £18.99, 1p to £20, basically £20 basically. And this is how it looks like, and it's amazing. I'm gonna show you guys on the side as well guys, so, and I'm gonna link everything in the below for y'all. This is the first piece. Let's go to the second piece that I got back, and this is the front this is the details I was talking about, not that too much details. And then if you don't like short, this is amazing length, because literally it covers most of your leg, and it comes literally next to you, near to your knee, basically near to your knee. But this is how they look like basically. I really fit perfectly, like I will not complain. They fit perfectly for my waist area as well. This is how the back look like, so I'm not complaining anything. So the fitting is perfect. I love the fitting, how they fit me in my waist area. They're really comfortable as well. And I was thinking about the white shirt to wear with this short, but you can wear with this, even this top. I think it looks amazing. It's just like little sandals that you can find, or from Primark. They do really amazing sandals. If you don't want to literally to spend quite a lot of money on sandals, you can wear like a sandals from Primark, and have this amazing sandals from Primark. I bought, it's like £6. They got black one, they got white one. I got the white ones, and I think this looks amazing, this outfit, if you don't want to out looking. But this, I'm thinking of wearing my high heels with the shirt that I'm gonna buy, but I haven't bought the shirt yet, so I cannot show you with it. But I'm gonna put it on the side right here, the white shirt that I thought is gonna look amazing with this short right here. But I think this top, it looks amazing anyways, if you got this kind of top with this and with sandals. So I'm gonna show you the sandals with it that I brought from Primark. It's originally £6, so it's nothing wrong with it. So this is the sandals I was talking about, guys. £6 from Primark. I bought them today basically, size 6. They're really amazing. Just love how they are. They're really comfortable, so I don't want to touch them in the below because I already wore them outside. But yeah, this is how they looks like basically, guys. They're really amazing. £6. They're really comfortable as well, so I think this outfit will go together. But yeah, depending what kind of person you are. If you like high heels, if you like trainers, give you away with trainers. But I prefer this kind of outfit to just keep it simple. Even when I got like hip high, go hip high. And if you don't want to go hip high, you want to keep casual, this is the perfect how to do it basically. Another package. Let's open it. I really love Zara. How everything literally this package is really good. It's really good. Ooh, okay. I'm just literally so shocked like how the packaging is, and then little stick right here, just like that, and it comes out, or the stuff comes out. Another thing that I got, guys, it was this leotard. You can say a leotard, or you can say bodysuit, but I call it leotard. I already wore this like 2 times because it's just amazing. I really love it, and it's really affordable. I think it's £12.99, basically £13 if I'm not mistaken. I want the yellow one and I want the blue one, but they're all sold out online, and this was size 8, and I love the fabric. Is really soft. I recommend all girls to get it, and I didn't want to get a bigger size like size 10. That would be massive on my boobs area. Like this dress is size 10, like you can tell it's a bit big in this kind of angle right here, like underneath my armpit is quite big, so I didn't want to get size 10, and this dress is usually size 10. It's quite massive. We just love the dress, and I thought let me just get it because they will never come back, and the shop was literally about to close down. So I thought let me just get the dress, and then I will somehow dress it out. But you cannot see it, that's quite big, but yeah. So I didn't want this leotard to be big like this dress, so I wanted the leotard to be like really like how my size is, so I don't have to wear a bra or whatnot. So but yeah, so they're quite amazing. I want the blue one, and I want the yellow one as well. Sorry, so if you see it online, let me know literally in the comment below, and I will go and I'll grab it on Zara online, because I literally love the colors and I really love the fabric, and they're really affordable as well, the leotard. So I'll be wearing this twice. I wore this with my legging trousers, and I think this is just amazing. Or black with this, it just looks like my skin tone. You can wear it in anything basically. You can wear it in the winter, you can wear it in the summer. It's just something that you can put it on and good to go basically. You don't have to think twice what you're gonna wear it with. But yeah, this is the second piece I got. Usually affordable. I will recommend everyone to get it because it's just affordable. You can put it in, you can good to go with it. And I'll be wearing this with my legging, with my leather trousers, the black one, and they look so amazing together. So yeah, but if you wear with the leggings, I'll be wearing with the legging ones, and I'll wear with my leather trousers ones, and all they look amazing. But I'm gonna be showing you guys with my leather trousers how it looks like. It's just so lovely. I just love it. And I want the blue one. I want the blue one and I want the yellow one. So if you guys go online, you can see it is back. Let me know, size 8, and I'll go straight away and I'll get it. It's just, I love the leotard, the bodysuit leotard. And the next thing that I got, guys, it was this, the same leotard, but this is the white one. So like I said, they got quite different colors. They got white, they got that brown, and they got peach, and they got orange, they got blue, and then they got some another color, I forget, but they got quite outrageous colors. So I literally got 2 colors, but I want the blue one and the yellow one as well, like I said. But the white one, I got the white one, and I'm planning to get this skirt. The skirt is gonna come next haul. Basically, this skirt, the white skirt I'm gonna be showing you right here, is quite popular in Zara hauls in YouTube. So I've seen quite loads of girls wearing it, so I'm gonna get that to wear with this leotard, because I haven't worn the leotard yet, the white one. Just waiting for the perfect outfit to wear it with, basically. Yeah, it's £12.99, size small in UK, size 8. So this is how it looks like. Basically the same thing, same fabric. Is really soft, and this thing you cannot wear. You can wear the bra, but you don't have to wear the bra because it comes with the like an extra fabric inside. So this is extra fabric inside, so you don't have to wear a bra basically, because you cannot see your nipples and whatnot. So it has like a protection fabric inside basically, in the back as well. That's the extra fabric in right there, and the front as well basically. So you don't have to wear a bra, you can just good to go, you are going. So I just love this, and I've got my makeup on today, so I don't want to literally to put this on my makeup, and I haven't worn it yet. So yeah, so this is how both of them looks like. So this is the white one, and this is the brown one. So yeah. Alright, this is literally the leotard that I was talking about. You can obviously, this is how you tie it. Just put it inside and tie it, but I couldn't bother to tie it. Let me just put it inside so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's really soft. I really love it. It just gives you like a little details on the side. Like girls, we want a little details on the side. Give you a little bit of details on the side as like a little bit cleavage. I would say about like a little bit cleavage in the side, this side, over this side. But it's just literally, I love, look how it complements my skin. It's just literally so lovely. It's really soft. And it's really affordable as well. So I recommend for all people to have it. But yeah, so another item that I got, it was this top from Zara. It's just like a simple top, but it has like a gathering on the front, like you can see, like a little gathering on the front. And I thought this will look so cute, so amazing, with like my black trousers or blue trousers somehow, or with my leather trousers I got from Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing. I'll show you guys in a minute. I think that will look so cute with this because it has like a less details. Sometimes less details, the outfit will look so amazing in your body. You have to know how to complement your body with your outfit basically. So I thought this will look so amazing if I can wear with like a high heels, a little bag as well. And the high heels I'm gonna pair up with is from Ego online, I think. I'll show you guys in a minute the high heels, but I thought the outfit will look so amazing. I'll show you the outfit with the high heels basically. So I'm planning in my head, but I haven't worn the outfit yet, guys, so don't get me if it doesn't look good, but I think it'll look good actually. Everything black with my little bag. So yeah, and the top obviously was £7.99, size small as well. And this crop top, short sleeve. It has like a little detail in the front, and the back it doesn't have any details. It's just a normal crop top, and I thought this will look so amazing. It will complement literally my boobs area and my waist area, because you can tie the little gathering bit in the front as well. So yeah, I'll show you the outfits that in a minute. What do you think about the top, guys? This is how it looks like, the top right here, and yeah, I actually love it. This is all that bad, but yeah. So this is the outfit I was talking about, basically. Everything black, the crop top as well, so you can close it and then you can just leave that hanging, or you can close it like that, you can leave that hanging. So I just love this outfit. They look so amazing. It's the pair of shoes I was talking about with these outfits. I think this will look so amazing, and this was £20, I think. It's brand new as well. I haven't worn this yet, so I'm waiting for my birthday to wear these high heels, but they're not that long. But yes, this is how they look like. So I thought this outfit will look so amazing. And the this trousers, leather trousers, it has like a zip in this side, so that basically you can put this high heels and then it will look like this. So I thought this will look so amazing, the outfit. Yeah, so that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my Zara haul. And I know this was a bit small Zara haul, guys. Let me know what you think about the outfit. Let me know what you think about my idea of outfit. Let me know about the pieces, if you like them, anything that literally you think is not good or they are good or whatever. Let me know below. Don't forget about the leotard as well. If you literally want to grab it and you see the blue one and the yellow one, let me know and I'll go to grab it myself as well, size 8, if they're back on stock, because I'm not sure. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.